Want to learn how to send gift messages on an Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. So, without any delay, let's get First of all, open up the app. Now, tap on this messaging icon on the top right corner. Choose the account that you would like to send a gift message to. Tap on this message again here and then type anything that you like to send. Let me do this. As you do this, you can see here is a search icon on the left corner. Tap on it. As you do this, you will see here is a gift icon. As you do this, you've successfully sent the gift message by countering the another gift message sent by this particular account. So you can go back, get logged out from this particular account to see if this gift message actually works or not. I've actually logged out of this account, so I'm going to get into the another account to make sure if this works or not. Alright, I'm getting logged into the another account to make sure, and then tap on this messaging icon on the top right corner once again. So here on the top you can see it's a gift message. I'm going to tap on it, and that's it. I have successfully sent a gift message to the another account. Alright, this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.